During this lockdown period, it is recommended to stay at home. But how are you going to make it worthwhile? That's a good question. So I decided to buy this stuff online to help myself continue with my workout habits, even without going to the gym. So here, I only have few improvised stuff that I can use at home, such as this one. It's a 9.5 liters gallon of water, and also this container. It's heavy. And I also have like a small pair of dumbbells. So I realized the need to support my journey to, road to fitness. I started in August 8th weighing 80.85 kg, and now I'm weighing 71.20 kg. So I now lost around 9.65 kg or 21.23 pounds in more than 2 months. Right, so again, no pain, no gain. Now, I receive a call from Skynet. Where's Skynet? Yeah. Here, Skynet. Right, because I ordered barbells. Barbells are dumbbells. Dumbbells in Lazada. And I think that was a day ago. And it was super fast. I got it now. It's here. Yes. I'm kind of excited to see what's inside. Actually, I opened it already, but not completely. So let's check it out. It's a 30 kg dumbbell or barbell combo, and it's a bumper plate dumbbell design, and I am actually expecting a pair of dumbbell and 2 types of barbells. I also have additional orders like the sit-up 8 T-bar for abs exercise and the 2 wheels ab roller. Let's go and check this out. And it's done. about it for today, mga ka-neighborhoods. We are done unboxing my gym equipment, and it's like having a small gym in my own home. So it's something you can also do in your own place, right? So I just wanted to share 3 important things to everyone. Number 1, I got good deals in buying or purchasing these items online with big discounts. And this is something you guys can take advantage of wherever you are, whether you are in Malaysia or in the Philippines. Number 2, since it's lockdown, instead of going to the gym, right, you might as well do your home workouts. And I'm happy to stay at home. And in Tagalog, bawal lumabas. And also in Malay, they say, takle keluar, right? Number 3, it is what it is. We cannot do anything more in our situation right now, but we can still do better by taking care of ourselves and by staying at home, right? Okay, so now please continue to watch, share, like, and subscribe to our channel, myph.tv, for more lifestyle learnings. So, mga ka-neighborhoods in Malaysia and in the Philippines, you are watching myph.tv.